And to go with that eerie Friday the 13th, we have some gloomy, dark clouds over the Central Coast. We got a break from the rain today, and we saw a break yesterday, but we do have another chance of rain coming to the Central Coast this weekend. Here is an earlier look, or a live look, I should say, out at Baywood in Los Osos, and Surfline cameras are showing us that it is gloomy, and we do have that cloud coverage at the coastline here. A look at the 24-hour temperature change. We can see that we are trending cooler here, 16 degrees cooler in Paso Robles than this time yesterday, 6 degrees cooler in San Luis Obispo, 4 degrees in Santa Maria and Santa Barbara, and 3 degrees cooler in Vandenberg. Now, something with this storm that we're going to be seeing in the Central Coast area this weekend is it is a little bit cooler, so that's why we're seeing kind of that trend downward with our temperatures. Satellite radar, we can already see those clouds deepening, that marine layer making its way into the Central Coast, bringing some of that morning and evening light drizzle. We could see some potential light rain in some of the foothills and mountains. But the microclimate model shows us when we can expect majority of this rain, and that's going to be Saturday night. Like I said, we could see some drizzle and light rain tomorrow, but Saturday night this system makes its way into the Central Coast, and you can see here by noon on Sunday the bulk of it is here over San Luis Obispo County and northern parts of Santa Barbara County before it makes its way even more into the Central Coast, bringing even more rainfall Monday and Tuesday. You can see here widespread rainfall coverage by 2 p.m. on Monday, and you can see here this purple and pink here is the potential for snowfall as low as 3,000 feet in some of those mountain ranges. Well, how much rain are we expecting? Well, we can see here by this microclimate rain model that well, it went away. But by the end of Monday here, we can expect about 1.25 inches of rain for San Luis Obispo, about 1 inch of rain in Paso Robles and Cambria, as well as Solvang. Here is a look at the wind forecast. Winds are expected to be pretty steady and significant here as we head into tonight over into tomorrow. You can take a look here. Gusts can be anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour, really peaking here Saturday 6 p.m., 12 miles per hour in Santa Maria, 13 in San Luis Obispo, Morro Bay, and Cambria, as well as 14 miles per hour in Paso Robles. And again, keeping up with that trend here, 1 p.m. Sunday, we're seeing similar wind speeds as well, and that's going to be coming with this system that's making its way to the Central Coast. A look at the upper level forecast here, you're going to see this cooling cold front make its way slowly over the Central Coast, and that's going to bring a dip in temperatures here. You can see that just hovering over a majority of San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara County, and it's going to bring those cooler temperatures for a majority of those areas today into midweek. You can see here Wednesday by 9 p.m. Now that brings me to those daytime highs here. We can expect them in the upper 50s to low 60s. 60 degree in Paso Robles, 60 in San Luis Obispo, 63 in Santa Maria, 62 in Lompoc, and 61 in Santa Barbara. As we head to the Santa Ynez Valley here, 58 degrees in Carpinteria, 61 in Goleta, as well as Solvang. As we head over to the Five Cities area, 61 in Nipomo, Guadalupe, as well as Arroyo Grande. And in the North Coast here, 59 degrees in Morro Bay, 58 in Cayucas, as well as Cambria and San Simeon. Now the 5-day forecast, you're going to see a lot of rain here spanning all the way until Wednesday, where it does kind of fizzle out a little bit before we are potentially monitoring yet another storm by Thursday and Friday. The timing of that is a little tricky, but we'll have all of that on our website and our app. We'll be back.